Hi guys, it's your girl She's Royal 85 and welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, I wanted to show you all my messy bun that I made. And if you guys want a tutorial on how I did this style, please comment below and I will do a video. Okay guys, so let's get started. Today is my 2-year loc anniversary, guys. 2 years. And I'm super excited. I cannot believe it's been 2 years already. In a year, my hair has grown a lot, and to show how much my hair has grown, I decided to insert clips of my 1-year loc anniversary, just so you guys can see the difference. As of right now, I have not been separating my locks, so a few of them have been joining together, which I don't mind. I'm not sure if I want to continue to separate. I probably will. I definitely don't want my hair to jumble into one big ponytail, but if smaller locks decide that they want to come together, I'm just gonna let them do what they do. See, you guys, I have a lot of two-headed dragons. I even have 3-headed dragons. This part of my hair has not locked yet. It used to be bigger. Some of it went into a lock. As of right now, I'm still not doing much with my hair. I still wash it once a month. I will say now when I wash it, it gets really heavy. And I guess that just comes with the length. But now it's heavy. I'm still washing with Dr. Bronner's peppermint soap. And after I wash, I do a hot oil treatment. I occasionally oil my scalp and I occasionally moisturize my hair with a spray bottle of rose water and vitamin E oil. Well, that's it, you guys. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave your question below in the comments and I'll get back to you. I hope you guys like this video. Please thumbs up this video and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.